A super easy way to make a tabletop tree for this Christmas using those trees from Dollar Tree. All right, so I have these from Valentine's Day, so they're pink. I thought they were cute and kind of do like a candy lamp theme, but they have them for every holiday. They have different colors. I zip tied two of them together, and I'm just taking this container that I have. You can use like a vase, you can use a bunch of different things, but I like this one. It's for like the kitchen. I got it at Home Goods, but I just turn it around because I like the stone on the other side, and then I'm just filling it with paper. You can fill it with foam, and then I put those two trees that I zip tied together in there. And then I'm just gonna kind of fluff them out. You can use more than two trees too if you want like a really full look. You can use three. I have this little gingerbread that I got from Michael's. You can get those things for your tree and stuff, and they have them in little bins and stuff, and they usually are on sale every time they come out. Mine broke, but I just hot glued it back together. And the little crack is fine because it's like a little cracked gingerbread cookie. And then I have this little donut that has like some pretty colors in it too. And then I'm just going to take some ornaments. You can get these ornaments from Dollar Tree. You can use old ornaments that you might have around. And I'm just going to place them in there and just decorate it like you would decorate a regular tree. This is real easy, real simple. The little picks that you would put in your tree, you can put those in there. And then you can make these to go along with your decor at home. I wanted a little pop of color because I don't know if you can see like in the donut and stuff, and then the gingerbread, there's like little pops of color. So I'm taking these pumpkins from Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint them like a teal kind of blue. I gave it a couple of coats of that, but you can just leave it like that. You can do like little snow effects on things. You can do like a bunch of cute little things to give it a cute look. But this is how it came out, and just a simple way to add some decor to your home for this Christmas season.